Today I'm showing you how to crochet this cozy plush beanie. You can customize it however you want. I love chunky hats and I'm obsessed with how this one turned out. I'm using plush yarn and 5mm crochet hook. To start, make a knot in whatever way feels comfortable for you. To chain, grab your yarn and pull it through the loop. Then continue, grab your yarn and pull it through the loop. You need 36 chains. At the end of the first row, make one turning chain and turn your work. Now you're going to half double crochet into the second chain from hook. Then continue work a half double crochet into every chain across. For the third row, again you are going to half double crochet into the second chain from the hook. And continue to half double crocheting into every chain across. Repeat these steps until you have a total of 42 rows. Once you finished, cut the yarn leaving a long tail. Pull this tail through the last loop on your hook. Thread the yarn through the needle and use it to seam the head together. Now run the needle through the ends of the ribbon all around the top of the hat. Once you've gone all the way around, gently pull the yarn to gather the top and close it completely. Now just turn your head right side out and you are done. It looks great and it is so comfortable to wear. I added these pins for a little extra touch. It just popped in my head and I love the idea. Feel free to decorate your hat however you want or leave it simple. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a like and let me know if you tried making one.